have daily worries, we have long-term worries, and then known worries. The daily worries because we have water leaks, and so that's why we have a non-accountable program. In the long term, it will be the wastewater treatment. We only have 3% of coverage, so that's a big challenge for our city. And I'll say the unknown worries, I'll call it like that, and it's climate change, of course. Because we live in a high mountain, so when it rains too much, because we don't have the 4 seasons, we only have the rainy season and summer. And when it rains so much, we have danger of floods. And when it's summer, we have lack of services because of water consumption. So that are the two realities that it's very hard to face as a general manager, but we have to keep working on that. My name is Verónica Sánchez. I'm the general manager at EPMAPS Agua de Quito. Agua de Quito was founded in 1960, so we have 65 years. I'm the first woman leading this company. Quito is the capital of Ecuador, so welcome. We really want to improve wastewater treatment. Since we have only 3% of coverage, the situation has to change. So benchmarking is very important for the analysis. So you can see, for example, in Latin America, in Bogota, Medellin, in Lima, they have wastewater treatment. So Quito cannot get behind this project. The biggest barrier, I would say, is the organizational culture. Because we have to work with people. People has to know that if they have the data, they give good information, and we are monitoring and evaluating. It's the only way we can improve. Don't have a magic wand. I would like to have a big SCADA with all the information, so we can, from your phone, see what's going on and change this information. And so I don't have these concerns about water leakage or wastewater. So if we digitalize and we have all of this information, we know what's going on in the city, and we can have better decisions.